Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. I'm going to try to incorporate like beauty and fashion stuff back into my content because it's something I'm really passionate about. So today I am showing you guys how I curl my hair. I get asked this all the time. I don't really know why. I've like just become good at curling my hair because I never used to do it because I have so much hair. But yeah, so my hair type, this is it, like pin straight. I might change my shirt. This is very uncomfortable to curl my hair in, but I wanted to like look cute. Scout is like sitting right behind me. You can see his like little eyes in the corner here. But my hair type is pin straight. This is it, air dried and everything. I have a lot of hair. I have very thick hair, so that is why most of my life I never curled my hair ever. I always just let it dry or I straightened it. I just couldn't be bothered to curl it. But now I'm bothered to curl my hair because I can actually do it. So I am just going to jump right into it. I section my hair off pretty much 3 ways. Scout, he's legit behind me. Smelling me. Are you gonna put my hair up? Okay. Also, I hope you guys like this kind of filming setup I got going on here. I just got a backdrop and I can't wait to just like shoot content and everything. Alright, so I just sectioned off the bottom half of my hair. Oh my gosh, look at my outgrowth. Oh my goodness, that's insane. Anyways, this is my curling iron I use. I got it so long ago. It is literally breaking right here. But it is the Bombay Gold Collection. I don't even know what size this is. I'll pop it up on the screen. I'll try to find it, see if this company is still around, and if I can link it down below, but if not, I'll try to link a similar one. But it's just like a wand. It doesn't have a clip or anything like that. And I do really like it because it comes with like this little stand. So since I'm like sitting on the floor, it's nice to like put this down. But I am going at 390 degrees. This thing goes up to 450 degrees, but I don't want to fry my hair off, so it is not really necessary to go up that high. But yeah, and I am also the worst, and I don't use a heat protecting product. So if you have any ones that you really enjoy, let me know. And then I just take a piece of hair, wrap it around, and I leave my ends out like that. So I kind of leave a lot at the root and then leave some at like the end of the piece of hair, if that makes sense at all. And then, I don't know if you can really tell what that curl is. Oh, and then also I take all my hair and put it in the front, so then I could put the curled pieces in the back. And honestly, I might do a lot of this like off camera just so I can really get going, at least for like the bottom part. It's not that interesting. But yeah, now that my hair is longer, I can do a lot better job at this, and I can move a little bit faster because I'm not trying to like avoid burning my fingers, because my hair was so short before that I would burn my fingers all the time. And don't mind me using my viewfinder as a mirror right now. And I do, for the bottom and like the middle layers at least, I do kind of like big pieces. Like these are all really big chunks of hair, and I just kind of try to hold it for like, I don't know, 10 seconds or so, just enough for it to get a curl. So it gives it a nice little curl. And then I'm gonna move to this side. And also I don't like flip-flop the direction of the curls. I curl away from my face, and I don't flip-flop it. I know some people's method is to like do some curls towards your face, some away from your face and whatnot, but I just keep them all curled away from my face. Also, I feel like I like to keep my ends out because I feel like it gives it like a nice like beachy wave curl by having your ends not curled all the way to the end. And also I feel like it just kind of helps the whole damage control of your hair. I don't know if that's true. It's just an assumption I've made from doing this. Also, I feel like if I curled my hair like on the reg, I would definitely find a heat protectant like product, but I rarely curl my hair, so it's just not a priority. All right, now that we have one layer curled, I don't know if you can really tell what I've done here. I'll try to show you. Then I hairspray each layer individually, just because my hair is naturally pin straight. I want the curl to hold, because I mean my hair holds curls a lot better now, but when I was younger my hair would never hold curls. That's also why I would never curl my hair too. Cool. Then I'm gonna take this down, drop another layer. And just for time-wise, I only do 3 layers, just because I do kind of want that like messy look. I don't want perfect curls. All right, so now that I have another layer on here, and so I do kind of the same thing. I work from behind and make my way up to the front of my face. And I do the same thing, just take pretty good sized chunks, leave out the ends, don't go all the way to the root, and I just repeat that over and over. Okay, I just went off camera to do the rest of that layer, and I turned my ceiling fan on because it's just like way too hot in here to be curling my hair and not have any airflow, so I'm sorry if you can like hear the wind. But anyways, so did that second layer, gave it some hairspray, and oh yeah, by the way, the hairspray I'm using is the OGX Shea Sleek. Yeah, I really like this one. I just had to get another one and I didn't get this one and I'm kind of regretting it. I got like some Dove one or something, I don't know. But I do like this one a lot. All right, then taking down this last chunk of hair. Like this is literally just the top half of my hair and that looks like someone's ponytail. Like I have so much hair. Anyways, putting down the top half. Gonna part my hair where I usually part it. I was rocking a middle part for a while and then I just kind of felt not cute, so I'm back to a slight side part, and that's not really exact. That's close enough. All right, and then just gonna do the same thing, working from the back on this side, coming around, working from the back on this side and coming around. All right, just finished with that last layer. Now I don't want my curls to stay super tight like this. I want it to be a little bit more relaxed, like Victoria's Secret curls, you know, like Habit Salon curls. So I'm gonna give it one more spray. I do a lot. Now that I have my one spray, I'm going to comb through the curls with my hands, only my hands. I like to do some like little flips, you know, really loosen them up, give them some bounce. I feel like that is what is most effective for me and my curls. So yeah, just loosening them with my fingers. Also, don't mind my roots, quarantine, you know, it happens. So as you can see, they're a lot more like loose curls, like loose waves kind of going on, and I just love the look of having my ends out, and so that's why I do that. It makes my hair look a little longer in curls, and also it just like, I don't know, gives it more of that like wavy curl kind of look. That's like what all the girls at the salon I go to do. They always leave out the ends for this little look, and I just love it. And then sometimes I'll put like some texturizing spray in it as well. Just kind of helps keep the curls even more and like give them a good like zhuzh. So yeah, that's another product that I'll use. So I don't have it with me right here in my hands, but I'll link the texturizing spray that I use down below as well. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll try to link everything down below. I'll try to find that same curling iron. If I can't find it, I'll link a similar one. I believe it's a 1-inch barrel, so yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more like beauty kind of videos. Alright, I love you. Bye guys.